Welcome, dear friends. We are on the highway coming back home in our hometown Osijek. So our old Mercedes is driving us back where we belong. So on our right side, okay, your right side is Đakovo, is the beautiful small city where there's Lipizzaner. It's a type of the horses, very high quality horses, and beautiful cathedral also. And it's in Slavonia. This is where I was born, raised. This is my heart. Also me, long time ago.
Život to je igra,
Life is a game,
bol i veselje,
pain and happiness,
mladost i iskustva,
youth,
stvarnost i tišina,
experience, reality and wishes.
ali svaki život na isto se svodi, bez ljubavi nikom ne prija i ne godi. Ljubav to je iskra, što dragi Bog nam šalje, ti je trebaš čuvat i gradit je da traje. Ti je trebaš čuvat i gradit je da traje.
We are closer and closer to our home city, Osijek. Bečari, instrumental from Slavonian Horses album. Thank you. Just a little bit and we are at home soon, so stay tuned, you will know where we live. Slavonian Waltz.